Hello guys and welcome to the channel. So I'm back with another exciting news today, but before I start the video, why don't you consider subscribing to the channel? That would be great. So today we're going to be talking about a smartphone which is based in China basically. This is the first truly affordable 5G smartphone for the US market. Based in China, Coolpad is no match for competitors like Huawei, Xiaomi, Oppo or Vivo when it comes to the global smartphone sales numbers. But the company, which is virtually unknown in Europe, has been making headlines statewide for quite some time with its incredibly affordable devices, often offering premium designs and very respectable features for customers of several major mobile network operators. It shouldn't come as a surprise, therefore, that Coolpad is grading up the release by far the most inexpensive 5G enabled handset in the US. Interestingly, the as yet unnamed phone will not be made available exclusively on T-Mobile or any other specific carrier. Instead, PhoneScoop reports you'll be able to purchase this thing unlocked and use it on a grand total of 3 of the nation's big 4 mobile networks. Because 5G rollouts have been extremely messy so far, and there is no sign of that changing anytime soon. You also shouldn't be shocked to hear that 5G capable devices will not be compatible with every super advanced cellular technology under the sun. Nonetheless, it's great to see an unlocked phone combine 5G support on bands 2, 5, 12, 25, 41, 66 and 71 to work seamlessly, at least in theory, across T-Mobile, AT&T and Sprint sub-6 GHz network. Verizon is the big holdout, although the budget-friendly Coolpad 5G handset is also not compatible with the current and upcoming mmWave 5G network of the 3 aforementioned carriers. In other words, you won't be able to get the highest 5G speed available, but you will be covered on a much larger surface for the slightly less substantial connectivity improvements. With a jumbo-sized 6.53 inches Full HD display sporting a discrete notch and chunky chin, as well as 4000 mAh battery, dual 48 plus 8 megapixel rear-facing camera system, single 16 megapixel selfie shooter and pre-installed Android 10 software, the 5G handset will go on sale sometime during the year's second quarter for under $400. In comparison, Samsung's Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G costs a whopping $1,300 at Verizon, T-Mobile and AT&T, while Sprint's affordable OnePlus 7 Pro 5G starts at $840. Of course, this unnamed future member of the Coolpad legacy family will pack a mid-range Snapdragon 765 processor instead of state-of-the-art Snapdragon 855 or 865, while making a number of other small compromises in the memory, storage, and aforementioned screen and design departments compared to existing and impending 5G high-enders. So that was it for today. Do let me know what you think about this device and are you up for this device too. Thank you so very much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you go. Thank you so very much. Have a wonderful day.